Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understanding what BOOKMAP is. BOOKMAP is a professional market depth visualization tool that lets you see real-time order flow and market structure like never before. It's popular with day traders and swing traders because it shows you exactly where big money is entering and exiting positions through the order book visualization. Step 2. Finding the official BOOKMAP website. Head to the official BOOKMAP website by searching for BOOKMAP in your browser. Once you're there, look for the download section or pricing page. The website is straightforward and easy to navigate, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding what you need. Step 3. Exploring the free trial option. BOOKMAP offers a free trial period that gives you full access to all features without paying anything upfront. Click on the free trial button and enter your email address. This trial typically lasts for a set period and is perfect for testing if the platform fits your trading style. Step 4. Completing the registration process. Fill out the registration form with your information including your name, email, and create a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email that you need to click to verify your account before you can start using it. Step 5. Downloading and installing the software. After verification, go back to your account dashboard and find the download link for your operating system, whether that's Windows or Mac. Click the download button and follow the installation prompts. Once installed, launch the application, log in with your credentials, and you're ready to start exploring the market depth.